On Saturday, January 31st, the Waco Fire Department hosted the second annual Battle of the Badges Half Marathon and 5K at Fire Station 1. Whether you ran, walked, or cheered from the sidelines, thank you for showing up for our local heroes. The real win belongs to our community and the great partnership among our public safety departments. Together, we supported the Waco Professional Firefighters and Waco Police Associations. See you at the starting line next year. This week, public works crews were busy planting new oak trees at Heritage Square in downtown Waco to replace the trees that were damaged from several years of extreme Texas weather. Thank you for renewing the space and restoring the beauty of our square. Future shade is on the way. Tax season is back. Do you need help filing your IRS income tax return? Waco Library is hosting students from LaVega High School's business program to help residents prepare their taxes for free. Certified students will be available from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. most Mondays at the Central Library, located at 1717 Austin Avenue through April 13th. Visit calendar.wacolibrary.org for the full schedule. No appointment is required. Residents should bring their W-2 and other tax documents, their ID, and the Social Security cards for everyone that will be included on their tax form.